Copy. Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Everybody advance. Well,
Good to go.
that is one less enemy to deal with. I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay. Sharky, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing. Rolling.
I just... Something tells me they're having a very bad day. So, fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledge, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed. Copy that. Roger. I'm there.
Confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently, always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them.
Acknowledged.
I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away. Normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission? Hmm. If I go like that... Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head.
Aye.
I mean... You kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun.
Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Hit Fox is going to be target A. I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces. Better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault gauss. I don't need to fire that. You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
What? Are also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much. Okay. Well, let's continue on our way.
Ordnance received.
Ooh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Fleet of foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do. It's building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Okay. There we go. That looks right. Load. Name. I at least did a little bit. Ooh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemouth's.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend. Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop... Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
LRMs, plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at. Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
We will let loose on this cougar. Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh yes. Get more treats. Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Okay. Well. Shady. You get to play with the new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
Bertha Burke? And if I turn off a medium pulse. Medium, yeah, well, hold on. There we go. But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
You need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor. Go for it. Turn off an LRM 20.
10-4.
Oh yeah, she did. Um. Hmm. Hopefully there's like at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go fan. Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Jedi. You... Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs. Alright, you're gonna target protect for everybody else in the turn. make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah.
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah.
I hope we can salvage that.
Well, that took care of that, I guess. Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go right there.
Confirmed. Moving to position.
On my way.
Come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed.
I'm rolling.
Okay. Well. Servo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret... Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Meow.
Yes, Commander.
Freedom?
Aye.
You should say thank you to Sharky. Two, 6, 56. Damn. You know what? I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal.
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think. There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy. Pardon me. A. And B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
We're gonna go over here. Aim.
Acknowledged.
Thank you for dropping that shout out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received. Coordinates received.
Okay. Yeah. Don't know why there's.
Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
Good sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that.
Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
And... I could... I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
My good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
inflicted some nasty on that son of a bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
Sir, I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots. That
You
means the
betcha.
shooting is going to start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
Phantom.
Heads now.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips. With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Oh. That. Print as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down. Well. You. Aim for the head.
Roger.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well. Made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Ooh. Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball. Okay, so hey. Well,
How sweet it is to be a god.
isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you? What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh. Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Standing by.
Paradon in the slow-ass Atlas. Move up that way.
Target's down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because, I mean, look. Yay! What? Doesn't. Oh, Blood Asp.
I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic.
Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
I think I hit something.
Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a
Yes,
very
Commander.
good time at the moment. Think that's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. We'll go with this. We'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. I've made a little bit of money. Nothing, like, significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the Fire Moth. That'll give me 3 Fire Moth pieces. I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, you know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the air. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did damage to my armor. That's not cool.
Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
Come.
The play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way.
In order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck. Ready for orders.
I go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. I can. I would like you to fire upon him.
Hey, yup.
Right.